Broccoli does not have to be boring, and this is one of my favorite ways to enjoy it. So I've already cut the broccoli into florets. My water is boiling. Add that all in, and we'll just boil it for a few minutes. See, boiling it for a little bit helps to tenderize the broccoli, and then we're going to transfer this into an ice cold water bath. Just a bowl of cold water. There's no ice in here, but we are in Canada over here. Water is super cold, and it was just chilling in the fridge. This helps to shock that green color in that broccoli so it looks nice and bright on the plate. So once that pan is hot, add in your butter. And it might seem like it's a little too much, but this is a special broccoli dish that essentially aims to make broccoli more exciting, more tasty. And this smells super nice and fragrant right now. Just look at this. Now strain and add the broccoli back in that pan. There'll be some excess water that will eventually find its way into the pan as that broccoli finishes cooking. We essentially want this to now be sizzling a little bit. Season that with some salt and pepper. And that's going to help more of that water release out of that broccoli. What I like to do is just let that water evaporate and push the broccoli to the side. And once you've got some light color on that broccoli, it's looking really nice, bright and green. This is now ready to be served. So if you like how simple and delicious this broccoli dish is, then check out my coconut green bean recipe.